generally resist the loads by the layered structure. In case of formation of through thickness cracks, their propagation in composites are resisted by the presence of reinforcement fibers. Cracks grow parallel to the surface, especially at the interface between the layers. They are generally initiated by 1. Fabrication imperfection and unable to resist fatigue loads. On the other hand, in the conventional non-destructive evaluation, ultrasonic probes are used to sense the additional echoes to capture these surface parallel cracks. P waves will be reflected delamination of layers, and this will be an indication crack development parallel to the surface, which essentially causes delamination in composites. Pulse echo method can also be used for crack detection in composites. An appropriate guided wave, that is lamp wave, must be chosen to detect the crack, because we know the crack detection depends on the wavelength, amplitude, phase difference and the dispersion. Okay. It is seen that lamp waves show better reflection from a through thickness crack. In fact, they should be less dispersive. So, the advantages could be better reflection, ensures a strong signal for crack detection, less dispersion compactness, convenience to interpret. In various places, wide applications of pitch catch method are seen in closed conduits, that is tubes, cables, etc. NDE also uses another technique called embedded phase arrays. In this method or in this technique, they have transducers to inspect very thick specimens. Reinforced concrete slabs, of deck of a bridge with P waves. Time reversal method, while it gets modified in the medium through which it travels. If the received signal is reversed and sent back from the receiver to the transducer or to the transmitter, then effect of the medium through which the signal travels is also reversed. Is called time reversal method. This is very useful dispersive lamp waves are employed for damaged detection. The exclusive application of this method is usefulness ultrasonic imaging of difficult media. By comparing the discrepancies between original input signal and the reconstructed signal, damage can be detected. In this lecture, we learnt about new NTE methods like details about the pitch catch method, its exclusive advantages and application procedure, embedded phase arrays, thick specimens. We also learnt about methods of crack detection, in composites in terms of delamination. We learnt about interestingly the time reversal method, which is useful in complex medium. With this, we conclude the lectures on the second module. We will move on to the next module, where we will explain about sensor technologies and their applications and layout design as useful to structural health monitoring in infrastructure engineering. Thank you very much and bye.